So everybody open your eye, especially the ladies and the men too.
True Dreams with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, or you did watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today's topic, we want to talk about one lady. When we say the lady called the Colo for Italy. All the white people when they all of them they laugh, the lady they Colo, and the video there, but I know we not fit put the video for here because it's not too good. I be woman to put my video, and besides that, YouTube not say permit her. So I want just talk about her and the reason why some, not be only she, now two women know. She and one other, the other one they lock that one for a side house, but that one they talk, that one are depression, you know. So the reason why let's go just come outside, just begin the Colo for street, now something that they cause am. And I get many reasons when we say I will talk. And so I beg, I want anybody when come across this video, may share this video, especially to our young ladies, so that they will learn, they will know what it really they go on. Because that time when I did after the year when they were told say, you know, if maybe they send you message now, you forget something. They'll say, what do you they think? What do you they think when you forget? You never born, you never marry, you don't they think. What do you they think when you forget? So they always they use that parable. So I see no reason why somebody when never born, you never marry, will come think to the extent, say the thing will come cause Colo. And most of the time now depression, especially this time when we say Coro full everywhere now. So this Corona and whether na corona, been a cockroach, been a okra, been a okoro, when we say they everywhere now, if it still cause some because person just dey one place, you know, they come out, think it will come. They say idle mind is the devil worship. Think it will come. But you can't begin to think. Not be everybody get that brain. One knot go come out, two knots go come out. Before you know it, the apple, the person don't throw away clothes, throw away everything, run, come outside. And when this lady run, come outside, nobody feel hold on because everybody is a suspect. Nobody want to touch anybody. If not before, when we say this kind of situation never did for Italy, you see some white people will come out, they will feel use rapate cover am because e just dey for house for there. House is dey near am. If you take rapate cover am or take one take cover am, call ambulance come. But because of the situation where the country dey now, no ambulance to call, nothing of fit take cover am, nobody go fit touch am. That's why she say that they talk for inside the background, so they laugh. She did there. So wetin me go try to talk here be say wetin dey cause this this kind thing when we say person go Colo enter street like this. Now many things dey cause am, but the most important thing when we say me know, everybody get right to use our opinion. I may be right, I may be wrong, but now wetin we see, wetin we hear, I will come here, come talk to come make our ladies understand, even our men sef, make they understand because they don't want to man, they don't want to woman. So make they understand the reason why somebody go just go like that. Number one, when you put too much pressure on your brain, you put too much family on your brain. I know say you not take care of your family, but you do where your hand reach. Not go kill yourself because of say family do this. Especially now, people when be say they take care of their family for house, and this kind of situation when they say not go anywhere, some they not fit go work, some their personal business where they do. They not fit go to one. Nigerian people go they call. They say this one not there, that one not there. If you even say me you save money for their hand for this kind of rainy days, they don't go keep the money. They go come, they bring one problem or the other. Now so this one do, now so that one tag water, now so that one do this one. Before you know the money when you want even save for their hand, they go lavish am. And this kind of situation now they call you, especially people when you get children for house. The notes they come out. Because all they feel say, hey, I just dey here, now how they be, and you will even dey here, say you never secure yourself finish. So all this kind of thing, they cause all this kind notes. So family, then when we say, even this Coro never just affect Nigeria like that, so they don't begin, they say, hey, they say for us, so they say, they can't, maybe person not come out again, maybe they not go anywhere, and food not there, so I better bring money, maybe they take buy food, full house, and you when they call for you, maybe you don't get money. So what you go do? You go come the reason your own, the reason house. So you go make the brain knock. You go make knots come off for the head. So that one aside, my message here be say, Ritualists don't dey Europe. I know say this one when me dey talk, so many people not go agree with me. They will tell me say, Lady T, you don't come again, you know they finish for all this guy. Which story, this one story, that one. I know say many people not go really believe me, but anyhow, I will give the message. Because not be say we dey here to condemn anybody, but we just want to create awareness because of what they happen for, especially Europe, when it be say me dey for here. This thing they happen for Nigeria, but now it don't come Europe. Trust me, ritualists dey for Europe. Many people will not believe. We don't get 2 cases like this when we say we don't use our eye to see. I don't see use my ear to hear about somebody when it happened to. He called me, you understand? So anyway, I go just explain to people when go understand me to be careful. Because now awareness now they try to create for here. You know, say this ritualist when we say they for Nigeria, when we say people they do. Now it don't happen for Europe, but it dey Europe, but many people never know. It never common. When we say many people come to say this country they exist. It exists because to get European visa, not be saying now by anything. The only way you fit take get visa now when you get money for your bank. If you get enough money for your bank, if you go seek for visa for anywhere, you tell them say you want to do business, they go give you visa. They don't say your account it load with a lot of money, so they will give you visa because they want make you come spend, make you come increase their economic, make you come spend your money for their country. Now only when you not get money, neither they deny you visa. If you get money, enough money, hardly, not say they don't they deny, but hardly before they deny you visa. So all these ritualists when we say they don't get enough money, if they go any country, then they give their visa. And that visa they go use and come the country. They come the country, not be say they want to come work, now to come spend money and look for somebody when we say that they do this their ritual purpose. Why they talk and be say, you get one guy when we say this guy, you know they stay Europe, he rents house for Europe, and that house when he rents, he they pay every month he they pay, they come once in a while, and that house. He put Oyibo, the landlord, that be the cleaner of the house. Now landlord go come maybe once in 2 weeks, he go come, he go clean everywhere, he go dust the house, open the window, make hair for change, he go see come on, not be Oyibo, not be black. They do this work, so when we say black full everywhere, they find work, they not see. But now Oyibo they do it for her. He go clean everywhere, go dust down, he go. How can somebody when be say it, you know, when person they spend money? If you be oil money person, you dey spend money, it is different from when you are ritually, because oil money to get the money not so easy, you understand? How can somebody wey dey Africa rent house, they pay monthly every month, you know dey the house, nobody dey the house for years, they pay monthly, they come once in a while. If you just see come, you go declare carry women wey you want carry, you go see come out again. Who does that? Many people when be say, even politicians self, many people when be say that they from Africa, they come Europe, they not the renters, so they stay hotel. Now hotel, now they stay hotel. They'll just stay hotel for how long they want stay. They'll still come out again. But this one they pay as rent. When be say nobody did the house. They pay as rent every month from Nigeria. What do you think about that one? Me they talk my own here. What do you think about that one? If you can't go declare money full everywhere, you not get friend though. Nobody the entire house. So if you just declare finish your entire house, you carry get away, you want carry enter house, you do what you want to, you come out again. You understand? Another case still dey like that again when we say this one, he go buy house for where Oyibo people dey. Now again, if they carry go the house. Many people don't know say that fine house where they say na black man get out. Now Africa I do not be say he put a family or he put anybody for the house, but he just leave that house like that. The only one they cannot be say they come on holiday with the family was okay. Maybe they come holiday with the family. For years the house they there. He carry one girl. The girl say the house they there. He carry the girl go the house. The girl come they happy. Say he does see a big fish cash. At the end, that big fish when he say he see cash, the guy break his heart. If they call the guy no gree carry phone again. The guy no gree carry phone because they not quarrel, they not do anything. He just break up with this lady. He come back again, he not carry this lady. So this lady, they go the house, they go the check whether it's there around. Make for ask am say wetin he do you, because the lady don't fall in love. The lady go there, he knock. The guy no gree open door for am. He don't carry another person. Now tell the lady say you no go even happy. You know whether your hair strong. Because how can somebody just dey with woman, later he just drop the woman, he carry another one? You know that your hair strong. All those other women when they carry, you know wetin dey happen to them. Even this program when me they do for here, one lady, I dey try to get this lady number. Me I ask am say, for that time I just start, never even take. I never use the organize the way I organize like this. If now not go leave that girl, I must make sure say I follow am. I make sure say he see the end of that solution, of that problem. The lady call me that time. They try to get this lady number. This lady, if you come across this video, just try to reach me and tell me your situation now. I just newly start that time when this lady call me. He say he get one man, say na from Nigeria, from come. The man carry am. It's a very big house. The man carry am go the house. When he carry am reach the house, now so the man do finish. Say immediately the man just dey finish until you make pack 2 times, abi 3 times for example. The thing bite am. Then you say which kind thing be this one? In your face say maybe na minor something. Now so you see the man reach till today. Now so you see the man reach. You not see the man again. And that lady now, her apple, they bring water. He say if you just sit down, now this thing she can't dey put. You not fit date guy again, because which guy go fit stay with that kind of woman when be say the thing go just dey bring water, the water not dey stop, and this lady don't dry. The thing they chop her, he don't go hospital. They say they don't see anything when they do. He don't do all the tests when they for this world. They say they don't see anything when they do. Now waiting this lady just they carry the waka. He just tell me, we just discuss her. He just tell me say things they happen for this world. Or see what she they pass through. Say because now say how it happen. He said because when the man come, where the man for see you. Now road the man for see her with big car. He just see and see black man with big car. Now the man give her lift from there. Now the man start to the talk to her and they say this and that and the other, like relationship and all that. I can say okay, no problem. And so they follow the man. They call the date. Before you know, he cannot go in house. He say he has big. He can't even the happy. Say see. At the end, after they do what they do finish. Now so the thing they make pam. He bite them. Till now, that girl now, young girl, small girl of 20, early 20s. He said that waiting they see be that. It don't go everywhere. They say they don't know what they do. They don't see any particular thing when they do. But you know, just they pour that water come out for happen. No man they feel near her because of that water. If they come, they'll just say no, this one is pure water. What are we talking? Now different way they say they come. It can lead to madness. It can lead say the person will just the color. So this ritualist, don't date for this Europe. I know say since it never they common like that. Many people will say Lady T don't start again. But we tell now go remember say Lady T talk this word, say this kind of thing they exist. Because you know if you imagine somebody when they and people when they from Nigeria they come they do shopping for here. They see them now, they will do shopping, buy things, stay hotel, even stay people house safe before they will go back. The way one stay hotel will stay hotel. Not be say you come they rent house, they pay house rent every month. Or just buy big gas, lock out for there. Not be say they come with your family, say na vacation and they come, or you they come alone. If you just come, if now how many guests you know say you feel use at that particular time, you use them finish, then you go back. Our ladies more they wise. When they still use boys, so nobody when they not they use, they still use boy to boy. They happen like that. So now I just pass this message to tell my message now. Be say our ladies just be careful before any man come, especially the way they from Africa they come. Calculate. Look where you get money. Look where not because of money go enter one chance. Not because of money go for a side hole. Because now the way when they say they come now. Nigeria, they say for Nigeria now to even get boyfriend now they hard. Because everybody is a suspect. Any guy just come, hey, this one are Yahoo Plus, this one are ritual, this one are this one. Then they fear. So all of them now don't they channel come here, the ones who get money well. Now here now that they come. So everybody open your eye. especially the ladies and the men too, the young men, the young ladies. Mona open una eyes. It's not all that glitter and gold. Anyone come across una way, come tell una say this and this, that and that, tell the person say no. Say no. Especially those one where if you say they buy house, or whether they buy house or they not buy house, just be careful. Just be careful and always pray. Pray for nothing. Pray without ceasing. Just pray so that you no be a victim of their hands. Because how can somebody just waka not begin dey comot for head? Wetin dey cause am? I know say problem dey cause am, but not be only problem. Other things dey wey be say e still dey cause am. So just try to do what you can do. When you know you cannot do, you leave am. Because our young ladies now, the way that they go under depression these days, so na mad dey cause am, their boyfriend break their heart. Their heart no heavy reach to carry am. Not be all heart go fit carry am. That's why if you dey love, know the way you take dey love small, not be big. Because if you just do am big, the day wey go carry you go up, you no go even leave. You go just from up leave you, make you fall gbakata for ground. You no go wage you, make you wage you till you fall. You go just leave you gbakata for ground. You just land for ground. So I no say make you not love. If you dey love small, not too love with all your heart, so that the heart not go just break to pieces. So now ground they go just ground down. So now pieces. So if you love am small, you still get in case it can't still happen like that. And so this life be, because this coronavirus already come teach many people lesson. It teach many people lesson. Now people will be safe now. If now family they cause the depression, say maybe the family they disturb you too much for house. You know how to arrange yourself now, because this coronavirus don't teach many people how to arrange yourself, whether for Europe and Africa, because of the rainy days. So my people, now don't happen for Italy now we dey talk. Now we dey talk now, and I believe say e go see the other countries, e go dey other country, not be only Italy, because now when we don't see the cases wey we don't see for Italy be this, e go see the other country too. Maybe say they will travel around, they do all this their ritual purpose. So who will come suffer am? You no go even know say, if na Nigeria now somebody put cloth they throw away, they'll say, hey, they don't use this one do ritually, so hey, they don't use this one do ritually. So if na Nigeria now this kind of thing happen, now what they will talk. But as be say na Europe, nobody they even they think of that kind of thing. Nobody they think of am. The next thing they'll say maybe na depression. The next thing maybe they'll say you don't take this thing when they smoke. The next thing they'll say maybe na this, na that. Really, not beside those things, not they happen to people if people do am. But more than still think about the ritual side of it, because the day Europe need to be careful. Because I tell you now about that lady when we say I ample the pour water now. Now man I carry out the man in Nigeria until we get big house and he go buy house for where Oyibo people they stay. So black not today that area. If they lock the door, if you come you enter, you do what you want to, you clean out come out, because you get money. Then the other one will be saying they from Nigeria, they pay us rent for Europe. You don't see where they buy bread. They from village they go Lagos. They know they buy bread from village they go Lagos. So you go there Nigeria, they pay us rent for years. One reason now my people. Now this message now say me I can't tell you now. And my lovely ladies, I beg Mona be careful. Mona be careful. Mona be careful for the kind man where you come they carry on and say the one carry on for anything. Mona be careful, especially those one where they stay Europe. When you say they just they come Europe for a visit, and they just they come for shopping, then they come for Mona be careful with them. I know say Mona not follow them, but Mona be careful. That be waiting me they try to talk here. So this our sister now, this our two sister now. One they lock down one for a house, that one this house they confess. So then I confess it, they confess. So but you know say if the pressure don't confess, it doesn't begin they talk. And wetin not supposed to talk, wetin they talk again not correct. Why the other one wey just the corona na God na go help am, because this season what we dey now wey be season of koro to get help now for anything. No even hospital not there to put person. How much more say to get help for anything now? E hard. So I really pity her and I pray may it be say e get help her. I just pray for her. So this one a lesson to our ladies. Mona shine on her eye, Mona shine on her eye. Mona try to understand. before you do anything. So na my message wey I get for our young ladies be this: after this koro, and I know say many things go be in order again, and please don use your body to make sacrifice, or don try to be a victim for any ritualist person. I beg you all. I know say people, I still repeat am, I know say many people no go believe this talk wey I dey talk, but with time una go say Lady T e talk this thing. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have, oh my baby, I want something. Thank you so much for watching. Please use this opportunity to hit that red button and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can know anytime we video for here. And that like this thing, try to hit it too. As you hit that like button up, Almighty God will lift you up. And thank you for supporting this channel. And your comments, please, I just need comment. I want to see your opinion about this topic. Please don't insult anybody. Everybody get right to use their own opinion. Put your opinion there. I will still go through it. Now my own opinion, let me come here, I can't talk. So, and again, thank you. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and see you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.